Hello. Welcome to BADRFORTECH channel. Here is Badr with you guys today with a brand new add-on gonna get added to our official website. It's called DieFix, and it's quite different from the other add-ons. In fact, it's more than a tutorial for repairing and making craft stuff anyway, fixing everything in your house, like motors, uh, electronic stuff anyway. It's very handy and very cool add-on, in fact, for people who are looking for like craft and fixing stuff from cars to electronics, everything you can imagine. And yeah, there is some amazing tutorial inside there. We're gonna take a look through them in a second. With the add-on interface in here, I grabbed a screenshot for you guys. You can find fix muscles, repair, advanced repair, low normal repairs, home repair and more, electronic repairs, gardening and more, automotive repair, bits, info and tips. It's quite amazing add-on if you're looking for anything specific at those categories. Working good, guys, and 100%. So yeah, you must check it out. It's cool, in fact, and I really like it and recommend it for you. So where you can install it and how, it's very easy, guys. Go to the first pinned comment down there under the video. You'll find the installation and instruction link. Click next to it. It will direct you to the topic of the add-on inside my website. Also, you will find the screenshot about in there, more screenshot, and also add-on information and the repository URL. You will find it at the bottom of the topic there. So it's very easy. Copy the URL for the repo, paste it inside your device, and install the repository. After you install it, go to video add-ons and you will find it in there. So it's very simple and very easy. So that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, waiting for more reviews, and catch you on another review. Catch you later, and bye bye.